Established back in 1954, the Bharat Ratna Award is a unique award which recognizes extraordinary individuals from different fields. Upholding the focus of being the highest award in public works, this award transcends borders. With a strong focus on upholding the highest standards of public service, this award transcends borders. Exploring through the intricacies, only three awards can be awarded in a given particular year. The selection process comprises of a distinguished award committee comprises of the president, the prime minister, the vice president, the home minister and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. The Bharat Ratna award does not come with any monetary value, but its intrinsic value is immeasurable. This award is also bestowed upon the legal representatives of the deceased person, which marks its timeless elegance. Are there any limitation of the number of awards to be awarded in a particular year? Yes, you heard it right. Only 3 awards can be awarded in a given particular year. The selection committee comprises of the parliament, the vice president, president, member of the opposition from the Lok Sabha and the Have you ever wondered where this prestigious award derives its elegance? The Alipur Mint in Kolkata craft a distinctive leaf-shaped design made from bronze, while the state emblem and the sunburst is fashioned from platinum. Let us dive into a remarkable journey of the Bharat Ratna Award, a symbol of excellence, dedication and pursuit of excellence.
Know that the roots of the Indian national flag lies in the Swaraj flag created by Bengali pen Nayaka. Venture back in time to 1904 when Sister Nivedita, a disciple of Swami Vivekanand, is believed to have designed an Indian flag. Fast forward to 1906 and witness the birth of another radiant and iconic flag witnessed in the iconic words Vande Mataram adorned in the hues of blue, yellow and red. It also boasted of a radiant sun and a resplendent star. Pay attention to the correct horizontal orientation of it, with saffron gracing the zenith. Ever wondered about the custodian of this emblem of unity? The Khadi Development and Industries Commission of India holds the sacred responsibility of crafting our Indian national flag. And what about the Ashok Chakra, the timeless emblem at the center of a flag? It's more than just a design, it's a symbol of progress embodying the nation's forward march. Join us on an immersive journey through the significance of India's national flag. Discover the layers of history, meaning and pride that flutter with every gust of wind. And don't miss the opportunity to unravel the tale of our nation's identity beautifully woven into these vibrant colors.
National emblem isn't just a static symbol, it's a living part of India's identity. It represents the nation's value and heritage. Many of us don't know much about it. Let's dive into history with us as we explore the intricate details about India's national emblem. Our national emblem is called the lion capital of Ashoka. It is an ancient artifact that hails from the Mauryan Empire. Its time period was around 3rd century BCE. Presently, it is preserved at Sarnath Museum, Uttar Pradesh, India. So now we will discuss about features of our national emblem. The lion capital. There are 4 Asiatic lions which are sitting back to back. These lions represent harmony, a powerful representation of strength and unity. Beneath the abacus are 4 animals depicted in a clockwise direction: a galloping horse, a bull, a lion, and an elephant. These animals are separated by dharma wheels. Each animal represents one of the 4 Indian cosmic directions: north, south, east, and west. Dharma Chakra or Wheel of Law. Dharma Chakra represent the teaching of Buddha and the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Motto. The national emblem carries the motto Satyamev Jayate, which translates to truth alone triumphs. In Sanskrit, This motto underscores the importance of truth and rightness in a nation's life. The slogan Satyamev Jayate is a quote from the Mundaka Upanishad, the closing part of the holy Hindu Vedas. In your daily life, we have seen national emblem at many places, such as official documents, seals, letterhead, passports, currency notes, government buildings, national ceremonies, and many other places, like a president's chair, president's dinner cutlery, and many more.
New Delhi, unveiling historical marvels and intriguing facts. Today, let's journey through the captivating tapestry of New Delhi, national capital of India, steeped in history and cultural diversity. Known by its various names throughout its past, including Shahjahanabad in the present and many more. And this city has been witness to the various reigns of formidable dynasties like Khiljis, Tughlaqs, and Mughals. Dive into the heart of history, an iconic red fort, an epitome of Delhi's heritage. Surprising fact about this, its original hue wasn't red. Archaeological Survey of India reveals that it was crafted from white limestone. When wear and tear took its toll, then British officials decided to paint it red, storing it with its iconic hue. Delved into the city's architectural elegance, much of which owes its existence to the meticulous planning of British architect Edwin Lutyens. These visionary names even give rise to the alternative term to the city, that is Lutyens Delhi. Transport yourself to the past when Delhi was enclosed within the imposing walls, guarded with 14 gates. Today, 5 of these gates are Kashmiri Gate, Ajmeri Gate, Lahori Darwaja, Delhi Darwaja, and Turkman Gate, still standing as living testaments of city's history. Discover the Lotus Temple, an unique marvel and soul of Baha'is temple in Asia. This sacred place transcends the religious boundaries and embracing the people from all walks of their life. Now, uncover the thoughtful design within the metro stations with yellow tile path serving as a guiding path to the visually impaired people. This commitment to accessibility played a major role in making Delhi's metro one of the world's finest metro, second after the US. This is all about the national capital of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
The national pledge was originally composed in Telugu by writer P. Venkata Subbarao in 1962. It was first read out in a school in Visakhapatnam in 1963. Our national pledge emphasizes unity, diversity, and individual responsibilities. Interestingly, the original pledge began with word India, but was later changed to letter I to encourage a sense of personal individual community among citizens. The pledge is recited in schools and at events.
Bharatnatyam is mythically believed to have been introduced by Lord Brahma and documented by Seth Bharti in the Natya Shastra, a Sanskrit text. Devdasis or temple dancers who were dedicated in the service to the presiding deity used to perform Bharatnatyam in the temple. Its intricate footwork, expressive hand gestures, and rich cultural history make it a captivating representation of India's artistic heritage.